Welcome to Carl's Comic Cards and Collectibles. What's going on, guys? Today we got a box of Fleer Ultra Wolverine. It's got a 100 card base set along with the green and blue, yellow, orange foil numbered parallels with the Wolverine claw marks. They also have a bunch of inserts, animation cells, printing plates, top secret envelopes. They also have 9 3x3 puzzles and some adamantium cards and some claw cut cover comic cuts and some dual autograph comic cuts and some sketch cards. And that's not even everything on the back of the box. So if you guys want to check that out, probably be better if I took the plastic off so you can see, but there's a lot of cool inserts in this set, so thought it'd be a fun rip. There you go, whole bunch of stuff there for you to check out. So let's see what's in this box here today. Got the jumbo Wolverine looking on for some moral support there. Hopefully we could get something cool here. It's pack number 1. Let's go. There's super thick cards here. So we got Black Knight. Oh no, that's Strife. Black Knight, jeez. All right, Strife. We also have Thunderbird. Man. Okay, here we go with a comic cover team affiliation insert. That's pretty cool. And we have a medallion of Gorgon. And our green team affiliations comic cover. This one might be numbered here. Oh, no, it's not numbered. Okay. And then we also have an Ultimate Wolverine. Wow. That looks pretty ultimate. Okay. Pack number 2. Pretty ultimate there. Pack number 2 here. We got Mariko Yoshida. We got Archangel. Ooh, we got aliases of Wolverine. Man, that's pretty cool. Dark Phoenix Wolverine. Oh, that's awesome right there. Freaking classic Wolverine right there, alias. And Namor. Sabretooth. All right. Good old Namor. Maybe we'll see him today. He's following me around or something. All right, here we go. We have Blink. We have Annihilus. Oh, it's Onslaught. Oh, geez. All right, here we go. What is that? That looks like Old Man Hulk and Old Man Logan. Wow. Pretty cool. We got another medallion here of Mariko Yoshida. And a green foil aliases of Wolverine. Prisoner number 412075 right there. And that looks like some Weapon X right there. That's pretty awesome. Back to Blink. All right. Next pack here. William Stryker. Aurora. Oh man, that's awesome. Aliases. Wolverine. Myketh. Man. Oh. What is this here? Do we have some kind of... Oh, it's a family genealogy insert. And that is Veronica Connor. Pretty cool. I almost thought it was a sketch card, but it feels like it's wood. It's got like a wood texture to it. Huh, that's pretty cool. Family genealogy, Veronica Connor. And we have a Mirage. And Cassandra Nova. Back to William Stryker. All right, next pack here. Family genealogy. That must be some pretty cool inserts there. Let's go ahead and throw that up there. It's got a wooden texture to it. It almost looks like one of those woodblock echoes from the anime set, but it's not made out of wood. There, we got Hercules, and we have our X-23. Oh, what do we have here? Animation cell. Oh, sweet. Mariko Yoshida. Whoa, that is pretty cool, man. Animation cell and a greatest battle insert right there. Wolverine and Dakin. Let's throw that animation cell out there. That's pretty sweet. Oh, we got a family genealogy insert and animation cell. Here is I believe this might be one of those 3-piece puzzle inserts. Maybe, could be. Wolverine and Toad. All right, wow. Animation cells, we got the Veronica Connor. Gotta find out who she is. She might be like a long-lost relative of Wolverine's, like, great cousin or aunt. Blob. We got Weapon X. And we got Greatest Battles of Wolverine and the X-Men. All right. Oh, we got a cool pop, Fleer Ultra Pop Culture of Magneto. That's pretty awesome. I'll throw that out there too. Why not? We'll throw some pop out there. All right. Well, we got a green parallel of Old Man Hawkeye there. Man. And we got Sabretooth. Okay. Pretty cool. Next pack. Next pack, we have Emma Frost. We have a Colossus. We also have a Greatest Battle insert of Wolverine and Gambit. That's pretty cool. We got a medallion of North Star. Sorry, I'm gonna try to read that there. And we got Captain America, looks like battling Wolverine, I think. Whoa, that's pretty crazy. Oh wait, no, that's Red Skull and Wolverine. Wolverine, I think, has Captain America's shield, and Red Skull has Captain America's mask. which had me confused. Domino. And back to Emma Frost. You know, they start wearing each other's outfits and costumes to start getting confused here. I gotta really shine it into the light to read what's going on. Jeez. Okay, we have a black Tom Cassidy. Oh, Cyclops coming in hot. Cyclops. And we have an alias of Jim Logan. And we got a medallion of Yukio. And a Viper on the green parallel. And Sabretooth. All right. You know, I haven't noticed any numbered cards. I might totally be missing them here. I know the orange ones are numbered. I haven't seen any orange, so maybe I haven't missed anything. All right, let's see what's in this one here. We have a Polaris and a team affiliations of X-Force, Wolverine, and Wolfsbane, and Warpath, and X-23. That's pretty cool. Oh, we got a green medallion. I think that might be numbered. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, 2 of 10. Okay, 2 of 10. Emma Frost on a green medallion. That's beautiful. And we got another another medallion right behind that one. That's kind of cool. Who is that on this? Snowbird. That's a Snowbird. Emma Frost is a 2 of 10. I'll put her out there on a green medallion. All right. And we have a aliases. Mutate 96 on the green foil parallel. And then we have a Quentin Quire. And back to Polaris. All right. Well, that was our first numbered card, I think. Pretty sure. Let's see what's in this pack. We got 3 packs left here. Yukio. Oh, Daredevil. Oh, man, Venomized X-23. Wow, that is awesome. Okay, we got something thin back here. We got a acetate clear cut of Gambit. All right, that's awesome. Okay, Gambit. Wow, clear cut of Gambit. Let's see, this is a, clear, definitely a clear cut. That's pretty cool. Well, we're just going to cover up the genealogy of Connor there. And we got Puck and Magic. Back to Yukio. 2 packs left. Just want to say thanks for stopping by and checking out the Wolverines. It's a pretty awesome box so far. We got the little low-numbered medallion, a clear-cut Gambit, and an animation cell there. We got Black Queen here. Mystique. Always love seeing Mystique. And then we got a alias Wolverine. Wolverine. He's mean. Oh, man, we got a Captain America on a medallion. That's pretty awesome. Captain America's cool. X-23. Whoa, she's looking kind of scary there. That's like some anime action right there. Huh. Oh, Jean Grey. And back to the Black Queen. And we have our last pack here. Let's see what's in the last pack. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We got something pretty interesting in this last pack. We got Mirage, Captain America. We got an Alias Wolverine. And is this a sketch card? Oh my goodness, it's a sketch card. Holy smokes. Wow. Okay. That's awesome. Well, I can't tell who is that, but that's pretty cool. Sketch card of Wolverine right there. Wow, that was a pretty hot box. That was a hot box. We got a sketch card. Oh, hitting the camera there. We got a numbered to 10 green medallion. A pretty cool animation cell of Mariko Yoshida. And we also have a clear cut of Gambit on the Century X. And a pop culture of Magneto. But man, this sketch card of Wolverine kind of takes the cake out of all of it right there. Well, hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And always, keep collecting.